everyone something new today that I usually make this for when I go out, and that's why my friend asked me how many bags you have. Every time I see you, you have something different. Actually, I have one, and every time I can change it. This one I got it online. One, and then the purple, 2, and 3, 4. Actually 4. So the black and the purple and the blue, and that's the red one. The red one for my new year. I'm gonna share with you how to make this bag with a few minutes, and you can go out and then you come back. You can change in different one if you want to go out with your outfit. And this is the bag handle that I purchased online. Check in my description for the link. It have the ring on the side like this. On both of them are so beautiful. This is perfect for people who want nice, quick, beautiful bag to go out with. This is so big. Let me tell you how this is, how big this is. Okay, this is the square. The square piece of this is 1 yard, 36 inch. It's big, perfect for what I'm making. I have the whole square piece open like that. I have 2 corners. I'm working at 2 corners at the same, and then the other 2, when I'm done, I'm gonna go over there and working on that too. The handle here that you can purchase online, and check in my description for it. So I'm gonna go ahead and place this handle like that, and I'm going in, and then the other side you're going to do that the same, going in, and I'm going to hold this too, pull. I'm going to bring this to the front. Very simple, and every time I go out, my friend was shocked that I have a different bag all the time. So bring it from the inside out, and when I do that, I go to make sure these 2 are even, okay, like this. So now from here, go ahead and tie 2 together. Okay, I want to make sure it's facing the right side out like that, nice, like this, okay. And then from here, the top one, I'm gonna go ahead and loop it under and go inside this one, and then coming out like this, okay. And then after that, you're going to fix it to make sure everything is facing like this, facing this out. Now you have one side of the bag, then go on to the other side. I'm going to go to this side, everyone. So this side is finished. I'm going to leave it down. Very easy. Watch me again. If you missed the step, placing this way, okay. Placing the handle facing in, and then the holes facing to you. All right, so now we're going to do that again. I'm gonna bring this from here, going in. Remember, going from the outside in, okay. And then from this one right here too, bring it in, going inside, hold this too, and then pull. Pull. After that, you're going to fold it together this way, and then you're going to tie the knot just like the other side, exact the same. So do exact the same, tie the knot. This one go under, go to the loop, and then that's it. Then after that, you go ahead and fix it. Then you can pull. And now when you're done, you're bringing this up, you're bringing this up, you have a very beautiful bag right here. So perfect. I love it. I love how it's from the bag. So cute. And it's big. It's really big inside too. Think about 1 yard. And then this one too, like on the bottom. Look at that. Look at how the color light up so nice. Super easy. Look at that. In the future, I will share with you more and more. Look at that. Look how beautiful. I love this. Okay, everyone, the second one. I'm showing you two. So this is a second style. I took the handle out. And I'm going to go from one corner to the other one. Right here. So it's a triangle. This is perfect. I love this kind of stuff. So after that, you fold corner to corners, make like a triangle. My camera didn't show the whole thing, but it basically that the triangle you fold that way. So I'm using my ruler as the measurement. Okay, so I'm gonna put right there at the tip right here. That is 18 inch, and I started from here. I'm going to roll this up, okay, and then I have it right here. That's the 18 inches right there. And then the other side we're going to do it after, okay? So I will wrap this right here, and I'm going to tie the knot. I'm going to go right inside of this, do what I'm doing, let the loop, and then pull. Go to the other side. So make sure the 18 inches. Put the ruler right there. And then from here, ding, 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 ding. Ta-da, get it? And then from here, I'm going to tie it. Put it like this. Get my hand in there and then go right into the loop. Ta-da! So then I have two. Let's see this two even. Perfect. You see how even this is? Alrighty. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this too. So the whole time I do the wrong side facing like this, okay? And then the inside is here. Now I'm gonna open this and I'm going to place this, stuck it inside. So then I have the other two right now. That's the right side of my bag. Okay, so then from here you can see that right in the center right there. You can see that. See how big it is inside. Look at that, everyone. Big giant bag right there. I can put all my stuff in there. I don't have anything here with me. I'm gonna put the fabric, place it in. Anything you want to put it in here, there's no problem. Anything you like. A lot you can put it in. So after you put thing in here, you hold this two on the top right where I'm holding right here. Okay, hold this two, and then from here you're going to tie. When you tie, you're gonna pull it all the way down, all the way down. There it goes to the bottom. Then now this is from the back already, and on the top here, let me show you. Look at this. Okay, how beautiful. And then on the top here, you're gonna tie the very tiny knot on the top. That is beautiful bag that you can carry. It is so cute, everyone. I love making things like this, and I suggest you to get this when you go out. It was so beautiful, and you can put in your shoulder. Perfect. Like this, okay? Just perfect. How beautiful this is. Oh, I wish you can see that in person. Look at this. I turn this way so you can see more. Look how beautiful. And it's like this. Put over your shoulder. You're good to go. Look at the bottom. Everything perfect. So pretty, isn't it? And then when you need to get things out from there, that's okay. Go like this. Take whatever you need. When you're done, move it back. Ta-da! You're good to go. Look how beautiful that is, everyone. I love it. don't you? Easy. This thing right there is go over your shoulder. This is big. It can carry a lot of stuff in here. Stay safe and take care, everyone. I wish I can show you in person, and it's like my dream someday we can all meet and then make and take. That's what I like. I love it. Stay safe and take care, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Please continue to support my channel by like, share, and subscribe. And share with your friend. Get this. If you want to get this, check in my description. I have the link that I share. They're super cheap.